last type of reactions. Hopefully everyone's keeping up with everything. Ask for help if you need it. The last type, and probably one of the ones that actually affects our real life the most. I'm not going to give too much away because I want you guys to explore, but the last type is called combustion reactions. So normally I'd ask you guys, tell me what you hear about the word combustion with. Normally kids say explosions and bombs and things like that, but really guys, what combustion really means is something combusting or reacting with the air, and not really the air per se, but more it's the oxygen in the air that it's reacting with. So in our class, what a combustion reaction really is when we take a hydrocarbon. Think for a second about what that would be. A hydro, meaning hydrogen, and carbon, you'll see in a second, but we're going to burn that in the presence of oxygen, and it will always, combustion reactions will always, in our class, produce carbon dioxide and water. So here's kind of what that looks like. I just made up little numbers right here because it really can be anything, guys. There's hydrocarbons called octane, there's ethane, there's methane, there's propane. A lot of those should sound familiar, but a hydrocarbon is something that has hydrogen and carbon. Many of our fossil fuels do. It is burned in the presence of oxygen, and it will always produce carbon dioxide and water. This is actually also what happens in our bodies during cellular respiration. You'll struggle with a couple of these, but always remember, if it's combustion, it's plus O2, burned in the presence of oxygen. Oxygen, it's diatomic, and it's always going to produce carbon dioxide and water. So, like I said, there's many real-life applications of this. We'll explore those. I'm actually not going to do one with you. You guys need to be independent here. I will, however, though, make sure you understand it actually is only complete combustion that makes carbon dioxide. We'll talk about something called incomplete combustion and how that can impact many human lives and deaths every single year. Always oxygen on the left with the hydrocarbon. It always makes carbon dioxide and water. Make sure you're careful balancing. Good luck.